This is a 3D printer. And so is this. And this. And this. Once only found in industrial settings, they are now more widely accessible to the public than ever before. But how exactly do they work? Fused deposition modeling, also known as FDM printers, create three-dimensional objects by layering molten filament and are made up of several components: motors, an extruder, a print bed, a display, and cooling fans. The process begins by taking the model that will be printed and putting it into a slicing program that separates the model into cross sections. Supports for the print area are also added. Code is then generated and sent from the computer to the printer. This provides instructions for the printer's movements. Next, the filament is fed into the extruder. The nozzle heats up and the print bed is reset. With the code from the slicing program, the extruder begins to deposit filament. Once the print is complete and cooled, it can be carefully removed from the print bed, and the next project can begin.